Come on, let's cut our grass. Oh, flowers, not grass, flowers. I have no idea of what I'm doing here, but one thing that I know is that I am trimming the flowers. Okay, do not judge me, this is my first time, but you guys should take a look at this flower right now. But at the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys the result after. Okay, so before you start judging me, you have to stay tuned and watch till the end of this video. Look at the flower is looking not so very kept.
Yeah, something, yeah.
But I'm gonna try my best and make it good. Okay. Yeah, so keep on watching and welcome back to my channel.
So you were able to research it. Where did you learn it from? Okay. This and that. And this too. And this. And this. Yeah, trimming the flowers.
Oh.
Yes. Woo! I think I am okay. These flowers will see thorns that can pierce into you.
What's a bird?
Thorns. Oh. Say oh. Oh. Okay. Which one? Ah, okay, trim her edges. Go down inside. Go. Mama. Okay. Bring this side too. Okay. Bring this way. Going to yeah.
Keep going.
So I'm done here. I'm done. And this is what we got. It is good now, of course.